Hello, my name is Friedrich Tran. I am the Sales and Operations Manager at VIMF-Vietnam. Today, we are excited to be in Binh Duong, Vietnam for the first time. VIMF exhibits at Vietnam Industrial and Manufacturing Fair or the VIMF. As one of the most well-known events for industrial players in Vietnam, VIMF is considered as a prestigious opportunity for VIMF and other companies to present the latest solutions that are useful for industrial and manufacturing purposes. This time, we are going to visualize VIMF's technologies by showing their vast range of applications, from advanced architectural and automotive glass to efficient solar cells, from semiconductor manufacturing to packaging and other surface coating.
Hello, my name is Stefan Riecke. I'm Senior Sales Manager at VIMF. We are here for the next 3 days in Binh Duong, Vietnam on the VIMF. We are happy to meet you here to show our latest technology in PVD technology and talk with you about your application for your product.
So, if you're looking for the reliable, durable and innovative technology, look no further than VIMF. Our team is ready to help you to find the perfect solution for your needs.